In today's global and rapidly changing world, children need to be able to do much more than just repeat a list of facts. They need to be critical thinkers who can make sense of information, analyze, compare, contrast, make inferences, and generate higher order thinking skills. There is no one strategy to support and teach your child how to think critically. As a parent, your role may sometimes be to ask open-ended questions to guide the thinking process. In other cases, it may be more appropriate to allow your child to experiment and refine their theories on what causes things to happen. Whatever you're doing, make sure that you're having fun. Provide opportunities for play. Testing how things work informally is crucial to developing critical thinking. Pause and wait. Offering your child ample time to think, attempt a task, or generate a response is critical, but not necessarily easy to do. Try not to intervene immediately. Instead, try counting to 60 or even longer and observe what your child is doing before stepping in. As challenging as it may be, avoid completing or doing the task for your child. Ask open-ended questions. Rather than automatically giving answers to the question your child raises, help them to think critically by asking them questions in return. What ideas do you have? What do you think is happening here? How could you solve this problem? Where might we find more information to solve this problem? You can use great questions like these to help your child develop hypotheses. Taking a moment to form hypotheses during play is a critical thinking exercise that helps develop skills. Of course, there are situations where you as a parent need to step in. At these times, it is helpful to model your own critical thinking. As you work through a decision-making process, verbalize what is happening inside your mind. Children learn from observing how you think. Taking time to allow your child to navigate problems is integral to developing your child's critical thinking skills and provides an opportunity to extend and experiment with their favorite activities. So keep working on those critical thinking skills every single day. They help us to make good decisions, understand the consequences of our actions, and solve problems. These incredibly important skills are used in everything from putting together puzzles to mapping out the best route to work. It's the process of using focus and self-control to solve problems and set and follow through on goals. It utilizes other important life skills like making connections, perspective taking, and communicating. Basically, critical thinking helps us make good, sound decisions. Learning through play with Smart Cookie Club every day.